Today we're going to talk about bathroom vents. So every house should have a fan in the bathroom to get the moisture out, and the fan will blow outside, and there'll be a vent on the outside of the house where it exits. Up here you can see there's an example of the vent for our bathroom. This vent has a plastic cover over the outside to keep bugs and birds from building nests and stuff in the vent. And then inside there's some little plastic doors right here, there's two, that keep it closed so that things don't get inside the house. When it's working properly, when you turn on the fan, these doors should blow open. They just work by the fan blowing out. So we're going to go around and we're going to check the vents and make sure that they work. Now we're inside the bathroom. We're going to turn on the fan and you'll be able to see the doors blow open and make sure that they work. So I'll go turn on the fan.
Okay.
You watch the...
Okay. Oh, it is open. Turn it off.
And it should close when you turn it off.
So we're going to do in this video.
Yeah, so this one's working properly. So we're going to go around and we'll check the other vents to make sure that they're all working properly too. After checking, we have found that this one, the door that's supposed to blow open, has actually fallen off. And there's some insulation from the attic actually sticking up here. So we're going to take the cover off and fix the door and make sure everything's okay inside. So take the cover off. I'm just going to take a screwdriver and gently pry it off on the sides. It's a little stuck because there's some caulking up here that we have to get loose. There it goes. So here's the little door. So the first thing we're going to do is, now that we have the cover off, we're going to look in the pipe, make sure there's nothing clogging it, everything's nice and clean in there, and that it's all connected, nothing's come disconnected along the way. Everything looks good in there, so now all we have to do is hook the little door back up again. Now that we've checked the inside of the pipe to make sure it's clean, now we can put the door back on. This door is just a simple plastic, it clips in with the two little things here. Kind of bend it and push it back in. Make sure it's all in and it can move pretty easily. Now we'll go turn the fan on to make sure it works. Now we're inside the bathroom. We're going to turn the fan on to make sure the doors blow open.
Yeah, it's kind of open. It's open.
Okay, good. We'll turn the fan off. Make sure it shuts.
And it shuts. Okay, you better come out and put the cover back on.
Yep, coming.
So why do we need to check on these and stuff?
These are important for good ventilation in the bathroom to get the humidity out so you don't have mold growth. And these protect...
What is it the cover for?
The covers are protected from bugs and birds from getting inside the house. So that's important. And you want to make sure that they're flowing freely. So here now we can put the cover back on. Make sure it's snapped in tight.
Of course, there's an airplane just flew by.
Now it's all fixed, and we're good to go. Thank you for watching.